everybody, or better yet, should I say good morning, and welcome to my vlog. So in this morning mini vlog, I will be making myself a nice yummy egg, ham, and cheese grilled sandwich. Now this is like really easy to make, and it's just like very simple. All you need is just egg, ham, and cheese, and just make it like the regular grilled cheese sandwich way. Now you just saw I just cracked 2 eggs, and now I'm gonna start mixing up the eggs, putting in some salt and some pepper, and get ready to cook some eggs. Well, now that's done. Now, I bet you're wondering, is Xavier going to eat grilled egg, ham, and cheese sandwich with me? No, because my son is like very picky. So he's going to just eat Cinnamon Toast Crunch because, I tried giving him all sorts of foods, but you know how he is. He's just, well, I guess you guys don't know my son is a very picky eater.
Okay, I really need to get a holder because I can't hold with this hand. As you can see, I'm cooking eggs right now. I'm about to scramble the eggs right now. So here we go. Oil's in. Alright. To place these 2 spreads over here and then get ready. My eggs are ready, and now it's time to put it on the plate. Put the eggs on the plate and on the bread, and then I'm gonna put the ham on it, and then I'm gonna, grill it. Make a egg, ham, and cheese sandwich. Take one and put it on. It's a big ass ham. And then I'm gonna put some eggs. I'm gonna put, maybe I might put more cheese. I already put the eggs in and more ham, so I don't know. So throw it all together and boom. Alright, so I already put oil in it, and now, well, I used this, so all I gotta do is wait till it's heated up, and then I'm gonna flip it on the side. Finally flipped it on the side. It's burnt, a little bit burnt. Okay, I'm gonna try. It's not bad. Actually, it's really good. It's really good. It is good. Wow. I did a good job of this. Yeah.
So the sandwich came out perfectly fine. I mean, yeah, I did burn it, but it came out perfectly great. It was not so bad. So I would recommend you guys to try it. And if you're going to try to cook it, just make sure you come with orange juice. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching from my channel, and I'll see you next time. Lastly, before I end this video, I am starting my own production company called GWM Entertainment. So if you guys want to help out with my production company, you can follow on my page, on my GoFundMe page, and give whatever you can. I'm working on a podcast and a lot of a lot of theatrical projects, and of course, films, short films, documentaries, everything that's in the works for my production company. So if you could, please pledge and give what you can. So that's all. Thank you guys for watching and see you on my next vlog. Bye.